A few days ago, I saw the Lodash.find method being used in a Node.js app, meaning JavaScript on the server side and JavaScript on the client side. And I thought it was so funny that find is being used from the Lodash library, when in fact, as of ES 2015, core JavaScript has a .find method on the array prototype. And it also has the findIndex. And it does pretty much the same thing that the findIndex and find in Lodash. In fact, let's look at the result of these methods operating on this data structure here. As you can see here, it yielded the exact same result. Now, the Lodash method will do more filtering for you, but you can chain in methods or create your own predicate function to do the exact same thing. Okay, and then you don't have so much overhead. I think the concept was pretty much like document.querySelector and document.querySelectorAll, where JavaScript implemented the CSS style selector that was so popular in jQuery. Over time, it has so much usage that it gets pulled into the core JavaScript programming language. So I think I've made enough of these videos already. It's starting to get kind of boring. So my hope for you all is that before you use a library like Lodash and underscore, consider using just core JavaScript, because that way you don't have to worry about updating versions, right? Because these do change and the older version will get deprecated, and then you're going to have some technical debt on your hand. Not to mention all the overhead that can negatively affect your rendering time. Good luck.